The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall. Now, there's a video circulating on social media that some persons call it police brutality or police not doing their job properly. Now, this video shows up a police operation that had happened at a place that is called Maloney Gardens in Trinidad and Tobago. This video shows police officers detaining a few persons that seems to be of interest while residents is there protesting against what the police officers are doing. I am showing you this video so that you can look and think for yourself, you know, to tell me what you think about it. You know what I mean? As police officers detained a few persons and there's been a lot of speculations about it on social media. Now, bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, take a look at this and observe.
The man ain't do nothing, all ain't got nothing, boy. The man ain't do nothing, all ain't got nothing, boy. The man ain't do nothing, boy. The man ain't do nothing, boy. All shoot. Watch it, Steve, watch it. I'm gonna catch him, watch him. Watch your face. Watch it.
You're wicked by fella boy!
Ball of the wicked by
Trust me, no problem. Make sure you can go up, Make sure you can go up, I tell you right now.
Ball ain't got nothing on the man, boy. Ball ain't got nothing, boy.
Fucking up your man, let them all up fucking the spirit.
Nothing on the nothing on the really stand against the
living boys.
Why you calling my name? What? You don't know who you calling? You don't know who you calling?
Mr. Philip! Hello! Let's talk about a fix my door, yeah? Fix my fucking door, yeah?
wicked boy, what holy man, nothing, boy.
Nothing, boy.
Nothing on the only man, boy. Nothing on the only man, boy.
Well, so there you have it. That is what's going on right there. So, I mean, police officers making an arrest, and quite a few people they have said has been detained during this police operation. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, me just present it to you for you to take a look at it and tell me what you think. As I said before, you know, is it that police officers are not doing their job properly? For that is what has been said by residents of the Maloney Gardens area in Trinidad and Tobago. Alright, You don't know the thing go already. Me Dancehall Skilla, I'm gonna bring to you hot on social media, keep on up to date and posted, you know what I mean? And I keep you up to date and posted worldwide for everyone. Not just for, you know, Jamaicans or the Caribbean, but you don't know me. Just make sure that you see what's happening out there, if possible, or I should say, if I can do it, you know, I'll do it for you. You see me? Alright. But if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments and tell me what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?